Hey guys, it's John and Morgan with Longhaul Lifesavers, and welcome to episode 4 of Renovations. We're going to finish the bedroom. So our plans for today are we're going to take this headboard out and I'm going to see if we can do the burnt wood like we did with the stairs and our desk. Where these cream panels are. So that's hopefully going to be burnt wood. We've taken out the valance. I'm going to take this valance out and then we are going to paint white. So stay tuned. Another thing we're going to do is Morgan found some vinyl fabric paint, which these shades are vinyl. So we're going to try and paint these. Now if that paint doesn't work and it doesn't adhere to this, we're most likely just going to take all this valance and the shade off and put curtains like we did in the rest of the room. So we've taken all the pins out. So this is the fabric side, and it seems that they have glued and foamed this board. So what we were hoping to do was to be able to reuse this board and just burn this, but we actually can't because the way that they cut the board, they cut angles into it. So if we were to flip this around, the angles still show on the flip side, so you can actually see through into the wall when it's up. That's not gonna work. We'll have to go get some boards that I'll cut that'll fit in here that we'll be able to burn. So there's like 5 million staples in each one of these panels, so I'm gonna get to work taking all these staples out so we can pull all these pieces out and put the new wood in. So this was a pretty delicate process. I didn't want to damage any of the frames, so I had to take my time. Normally I would just Hulk it and punch them out just to be quick and easy and done, and then deal with the repercussions later, but I'm trying to mature in my old age, so I did it gently. Pro tip, put every screw and hard piece of hardware into a Ziploc baggie because 9 times out of 10, you're gonna need it again.
Three coats of kills later, and you can see behind me everything is now white, but what I'm doing right now, turns out I hate even more than painting behind the toilet. I hate painting, see the slide box here over my head? I can barely fit my hand between the ceiling and the slide box, and there's about this much that needs painted because that much is exposed when the slide box is out. So we'll finish that now.
Hey guys, it's done. It's over.
We finished painting the whole bedroom, so you guys saw above the side box here. We painted the inside of the side box. We cut off the valances. Can you like point, John, or are you gonna just lay there like paint me like my French woman?
Yes.
So we cut off the sides of the valances, and then the curtains, if you remember, they were a really dark cream color, which were over the cream. We painted them white with vinyl spray paint, which John really was convinced it was not gonna work. And
I've never had vinyl paint that actually worked.
It worked really well, like super well. You can roll the shades, no problem. It doesn't chip off or scratch or anything, and we really tried to damage it to try and see, you know, how durable it was. Super happy with how that turned out, and we actually decided we're probably gonna do that on all the other curtains. Instead of throwing those away and buying new curtains, we're just gonna spray paint them all. So worked out really well, and we are laying on our new
sleep number. That's right, we did it. I love it.
I know, he loves it. I'm not thrilled, but maybe.
What do you mean you're not thrilled?
I don't know. I mean, like, so the new sleep number says that it tells you like how well you're sleeping, but
yeah, your numbers are better than mine.
But I don't feel like that. I felt like I slept better on other beds we've had. So anyways, what was the color of the paint we used? Snow White.
No,
it was
like
snow something.
Arctic Fox, I don't know.
I'll put the paint.
Arctic Gray.
Arctic Gray, that's what it was.
Yeah.
Yes, so it really actually is gray. It is not white. And it looks...
It's white.
No, it's...
Yes, it is.
No, it's gray.
It is totally white.
It's gray. But I'm happy with how it turned out. I will tell you that I thought painting the bathroom was hard. No. Behind the slide box is ridiculously hard.
And down here.
Yeah, it's done, and I'm happy. Would you stop? Hey guys.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up today's renovation video. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then head on over to Instagram and follow us at Longhaul Lifesavers. See you guys!
Bye!
Dunzo. Have you even been putting those in the videos?